Hey everyone, and welcome back to Beacons 101, where we give you mini tutorials on all things beacons. Today, we're going to go over how to set up a course to sell using beacons. Many creators choose to sell digital courses as an additional income stream. It's a great way to give your followers a more in-depth expertise in your subject area that you just can't do on social media. So, let's get into it. First, go to your Beacons account on a laptop or desktop. Click the Store tab in the left-hand menu. Click the blue New Product button on the right-hand side and select Course from the list. Note that our free plan includes one course free to try out, or you can upgrade for more if you have additional courses to add to your inventory. Okay, now you're on the product page where you can create all the details of your course that people will see when deciding whether to purchase it. Change the name of your course and give it a custom URL if you're on our pro plan. Use the design button at the top left to change your colors and fonts. Add a cover image or video that gives a sneak peek into what your course offers. Write a description or an overview so customers get an idea of what they're buying. After you build the course, you can come back to this and try a generative AI if you have trouble writing a description. But your course has to be done first so the AI knows what it's about to write a good overview. Set the price, choose the currency and payment plan options, and create coupon codes. This is where you build the actual content of your course. You can update the banner image and thumbnails and add modules and lessons. Modules are broad topic areas that have multiple components. Lessons are the contents within those units. So, for example, you might have a module called leg workouts, and the lessons within that module could be 2, 3, or 4 different types of leg workouts. Don't forget to update your instructor info on the right side. To set up and edit your lessons, click the arrow next to the lesson name on the right-hand side of the screen. Embed a video, edit the brief, and click over to content on the right to add a description, downloadable files, and more videos. Back at the top of the page, click over to the checkout and success screen to set up how your customers will pay you and the thank you message they'll receive after paying. Okay, last thing, and this is super important, the confirmation email. This is how customers will receive access to your course and leave you reviews. You can use a default template or write your own. Once you're done, click publish and your course is ready to go. If you need additional help, check out our help center in the description below or email us at support@beacons.ai. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.